fireworks show or countdown party. Hosting a cozy gathering or attending a big event. Watching a classic movie or playing board games. Toasting with wine or toasting with sparkling water. Enjoying a midnight snack or having a dance session. Setting achievable goals or living spontaneously. Party hats or festive headbands. String lights or balloons. Dinner with close friends or celebrating with family. Watching a New Year's show or setting off fireworks. Glittery dress code or casual pajamas. Writing a 2024 vision board or reflecting on 2023 memories. Trying new desserts or eating savory snacks. Planning a weekend getaway or celebrating locally. Hosting trivia games or singing karaoke. Sending digital greetings or calling loved ones. Dancing with family or watching a stand-up show. Creating a gratitude jar or planning next year's budget.